Use existing credit card. To use existing credit card, we're going to use Joseph Smith, our client that we had created in our previous videos, as an example. So let's say Joseph comes to you and says that you already have my credit card on your file. Just go ahead and charge me, right? So at that point, we'll click on our new membership/plans button and choose whatever kind of membership you want to create. So if it's an ongoing, um, ongoing membership that's monthly or bi-weekly, prepaid in software or sessions, whatever kind of membership you want to create, or if you want to charge him for his retail products by using his existing credit card. So suppose, for example, we're creating a one-time prepaid in software membership, and we're going to use his existing credit card that's already on the file. So all we have to do is check off this box, use existing credit card, and you see it would automatically auto-populate his card number and all his information that we had entered previously, right? At this point, all I have to do is just enter his amount. So let's say, I'm charging him $1,000 starting, let's say, today, June 3rd, until next year, June 3rd. If I want to change my expiry date, I can choose that as well. I can use a different expiry date, or for now, for training purposes, let's leave it for 1 year, right? If you do charge the tax, you can enter the tax amount and check off the include tax. If you don't, you can leave it at 0. So let's say we do 13% tax on his one-time payment. By using his existing credit card, we are creating his transaction for 1130. So go ahead and create it. Once you create this, you're going to see that his account status changes to active. And if I was to scroll down and view his membership, right here it is. It's a prepaid and software membership that I had created using his existing credit card for 1130. Right? So just to view his membership, you see right here, it says view credit card, right? So you can always click on this view credit card. It will give you the credit card information of whichever existing card that you have billed this person for this certain amount.